Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to contact Ryanair customer service, whether you need help with a booking issue, flight change, or refund inquiry. Knowing how to reach their support team quickly can save you time and frustration. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Ryanair official website. Type in the address bar https://www.ryanair.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see various flight options and booking information displayed. For now, we need to access their customer support section, which is located at the bottom of the page. Scroll down to the very bottom of the homepage. Here you'll find the footer section, which contains important links and resources. This area is where Ryanair keeps all their essential service options, including support and contact information. Take a moment to scan through the options available. In the footer section, look for and click on the menu option labeled Help Center. This is your gateway to all customer service resources, including FAQs, policies, and direct contact options. Clicking this will redirect you to a dedicated support page designed to address common traveler concerns and questions. Once you're on the Help Center page, you have two options to find the contact information. You can either scroll down to the bottom of this page or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate what you need. In the search bar, type Contact Us and press Enter, or simply look for the Contact Us link. If you're scrolling, click on it to proceed. Now you'll land on the Contact Us page, which is where all the magic happens. Here, Ryanair organizes their support by different categories to streamline your inquiry. You'll see options related to bookings, cancellations, refunds, baggage issues, and more. Select the category that best matches your specific query. This ensures that you're directed to the right department or contact method, whether that's phone support, live chat, email, or even social media channels. Choosing the correct category helps you get faster, more accurate assistance, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated to Ryanair's customer service contact options and can now reach out for the help you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.